artificial intelligence has made many groundbreaking innovations and disruptions in industries and sectors around the world. This has seen an emphatic wave of many wanting to invest in companies that are on the forefront of AI development. Today, we'll embark on how to invest in AI and what to consider when investing. When investing in the AI industry, here are some things you need to consider. One is the company's selection and research. Virtually every tech company is actively investing and utilizing AI in various aspects of their operations. Here are some of the leading tech giants that are heavily involved in AI development and applications. Alphabet, i.e. Google, have developed groundbreaking technologies like TensorFlow, Google Assist, and DeepMind. And these AI tools are being used across Google's products and services, including search, translation, image recognition, and recommendation systems. Amazon's AI efforts are particularly evident in its Alexa voice assistant and in its Prime video recommendation engine. Microsoft's AI products include Azure Cognitive Services, which provide AI APIs for tasks like image analysis, speech recognition, and sentiment analysis. Apple's AI initiatives include Siri Voice Assistant, Face ID, facial recognition, and machine learning-powered app recommendations, along with iOS and Mac OS operating systems. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is heavily invested in AI for social media applications, virtual reality, and augmented reality. IBM created groundbreaking technologies like Deep Blue and Watson, and is now applying its AI to Watson Assistant, Studio, and IoT platforms, which provide AI solutions for businesses across various industries. Alibaba is deploying AI across its logistics, supply chain, and customer services applications. Samsung is integrating AI into its consumer products like smartphones, TVs, and home appliances. These tech giants are just a few examples of many companies that are embracing AI and transforming their businesses and their industries through the innovative application of these powerful technologies. However, it's also worth considering emerging startups, especially solely in AI. It's key to point out that rigorous research into a company's financial health, leadership, and position within the AI ecosystem is crucial. Next, let's look at AI-focused funds and ETFs. For investors seeking diversified exposure to AI, ETFs and mutual funds dedicated to the technology sector can be vital options. Here are some ETFs that offer a basket of stocks from companies actively in the AI development. It's just as crucial to recognize the importance of hardware in AI development. Investors may want to explore opportunities with companies manufacturing components vital to AI, such as semiconductor companies. Many of you will be aware of NVIDIA, who are renowned for their GPUs, or their graphic processing units, which are pivotal in AI development. Other big names include AMD, Intel, Google Cloud, Platform, and IBM, just to name a few. AI's impact extends beyond hardware to encompass software and services. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Salesforce are actively involved in providing AI solutions. Google AI is a research division of Google dedicated to developing AI technologies in the fields of natural language processing and computer vision, along with machine learning. Microsoft Research is a research division that has contributed to the fields of natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. Amazon Web Services, AWS, as mentioned above, is a cloud computing platform that offers a variety of artificial services, including Amazon Rekognition, Amazon Poly, and Amazon Comprehend. Salesforce Einstein is a cloud-based AI platform that helps businesses to sell, market, and service their customers more effectively. By carefully selecting companies, exploring diversified investment options, and staying informed about industry developments, investors can position themselves to harness the transformative power of AI while managing associated risks. As technology continues to shape the future, a strategic and informed investment approach to AI holds the promise of significant returns and active participation in technology revolution of our time. Now, let's look at how to invest in AI. At XTB, with investment plans, you can create a plan of ETFs that are comprised of companies that are AI-focused. Investment plans offer an excellent strategy for long-term passive investing. We also offer over 350 ETFs commission-free. Download the XTB app today to start with investment plans.